Assalamualaikum guys. Today I will show you guys how to make beans veg curry. Fry 1 sliced onion. Wash the beans and slice potato and tomato. After frying onions, add the beans and the sliced potato and tomato. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of spice blend that is cardamom, cinnamon cloves blend. Now add 1 glass of water in it and cook it for about 10 minutes on low sim. Add 1 sliced carrot in it. Now add 2 to 3 green chilies. Add curry patta. Once the beans become soft along with potato, add sliced coriander and mint leaves. Cook it for 2 more minutes, then close the flame and serve it in good dish. This curry is healthy and nutritious and can be served in breakfast and lunch. So if you like my recipe, do subscribe to my channel. Also, pilas like share and press the bell icon to get more updates. Assalamualaikum.